Hi there and welcome. So the Hineycoin community is endeavoring to not only share with you the information around our Heynekens, our Hineycoins, and so much more, of course, including those great spaces around sports, minting, NFTs, and so much more. We are looking to start also giving you guys some great alpha around charts and how to read charts and coin movements and those kind of things. So what we're going to be starting off basically is first getting you all to sign up for a free TradingView account. There is no cost included in any of this. What it does require is for you to open up your browser, head on over to my profile on X, and you'll see it pinned up at the top. There is a link that you can click on that will take you to TradingView.com. Now, TradingView.com is probably the most popular global charting platform. And you can use it in your browser. You can use it as a standalone app or program on your computer, even your phone. Yeah. So what you're going to do, you're going to click on that link, and it's going to open up a page that probably look like this. Now, that might be a white background. I use a dark background for most of my screens. It's the one thing when you spend a lot of time in front of the screens. Anyway, what is going to happen is you're going to get this little pop-up here. So I have invited you. Yes, it is an affiliate link, but the good news is if you sign up eventually at some point, guys, there is no pressure to sign up for a paid for TradingView account. There are benefits and advantages around the different tiers, which we'll cover at some point. But for the moment, you're going to sign up for a free account. So if at some point you are going to subscribe to a paid version of TradingView, you'll get $15 back in that very first subscription. But there are also incentives around the year, depending on what region you're in, Black Friday, those kind of things as well. So what you can do, click on that to join up. Now, you can either connect via any of these if you so choose, depending on your region, depending on your country, might have different options. You can sign in with your email, sign in with Google. I'm going to sign in with my email account. So it's, what's my email account? Please nobody send any spam to my email account. Thank you very much. Cool. Right. Yes. Okay. That should be fine. I'm not a robot. Oh, I hate these, aren't you guys as well? Where all the stairs? Stairs. Is that all the stairs? I hope so. Oh, wait, I did miss this. I missed the stair and it still said it was fine. Anyway, carrying on. Creating an account. Yeah, we can save that. Cool. All right. So I need to quickly check that. So that'll go over to my inbox. Please confirm. There we go. I'm going to activate my account, and it may well open up a whole new separate TradingView tab. That's going to be my username. You guys can customize it now. You can change it later, and nothing else. Yeah, I don't need extra marketing emails. Cool. Click on that. Don't worry, because I already have an account, so don't stress, guys. If you already have a TradingView account, you can stop watching this video right now. All right, I'm going to continue on this account. So what we're going to do for the moment is we're going to actually skip all of this. And we will talk more about this at a later point. You can go down here and you can compare the different plans, but this again will be another module that we'll be covering at some point later on. So yeah, you can have a look at all of this, scroll down, by all means do explore, get familiar. There are some great FAQs. Some of them we're getting into in our own sections as well. All right. So where do we go from here? Now, again, you can look at the different products, which are these. There are a bunch of different tabs, but the first thing we want you guys to all do is actually click on the very first one that's called Super Charts. Okay, it's going to open up something like this. Now, well done. You have now created your very own free account on TradingView. What we wanted to do is just get you guys to this charting page for the moment. And you're going to see maybe a couple of things that might be familiar. Some of this might be Greek or Chinese or, just binary to you. It's completely different. You've never seen something like this before, unless it's a chart that I posted or Steph's posted or some of your other favorite crypto people in the X space. We will get through all of this at some point. We're going to be talking about the different candles. We're going to be talking about every kind of feature that you can imagine pretty much within TradingView. One other thing that you can do at the moment on the top right-hand side there are a couple of little icons as well. There's something they called watch list, and this will be the stock standard default settings for TradingView when you create your free account. Basically, TradingView, as mentioned, is a charting platform where you can apply different indicators, you can change time frames, and you can have a look at your favorite stocks, whether it be Tesla. You can see what the price of gold is doing at the moment. Gold is currently sitting at $3,345.49. All right, so we're going to be exploring more of this in later modules. So if you have any questions, feel free to hit me up in a space within the Hineycoin community. Feel free to tag me in a post. I do apologize. I'm terrible at direct messages. I generally don't look at them. So don't go that way. But also keep an eye on future modules in our Discord channels. HineyVersity for the win.